Welcome back to Nash Rich. If you're passionate about discovering cool gadgets to elevate your daily life, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into 10 must-have kitchen tools that are perfect for simplifying cooking and adding style to your kitchen. From smart appliances to clever tools, we've got something for everyone. Be sure to subscribe to Nash Rich for more amazing finds and check the description for product links. Let's jump right in. 1. SIFENE Electric Cheese Grater. Who wants to spend forever grating cheese? The SIFENE Electric Cheese Grater takes the hassle out of shredding your favorite cheeses. With its powerful motor and ergonomic design, you can prepare toppings for pizza, tacos, or even salads in a fraction of the time. It's a game changer for busy home cooks, and it's priced at just $69.99. Find the link in the description. 2 smart electric kettle tea lovers, this one's for you. The GoveeLife Smart Electric Kettle is no ordinary kettle. It features a built-in tea infuser and app control for setting precise temperatures. Whether you prefer green tea, black tea, or herbal blends, this gadget ensures every cup is brewed to perfection. It's sleek, efficient, and yours for $69.99. Don't forget to check it out below. 3 Mini Dutch Pancake Maker. Craving a fun breakfast idea? The Hehinton Mini Dutch Pancake Maker is here to delight your taste buds. With its compact design, it lets you create dozens of bite-sized pancakes that are perfect for brunches or family gatherings. Sprinkle on powdered sugar or drizzle some syrup and you've got a delicious treat everyone will love. Priced at $108.99, this gadget is worth every penny. 4 Mini Sandwich Maker. Mornings can be hectic, but the UVFAST Mini Sandwich Maker makes breakfast quick and enjoyable. Compact yet powerful, it grills sandwiches to perfection, sealing in all the delicious fillings. Think gooey cheese, crispy bread, and warm, savory flavors, all in just a few minutes. This little lifesaver costs only $32.99. Check out the link in the description. 5 Mini Fridge for kitchen. Say hello to the Zibbizo Mini Fridge, the perfect addition to any modern kitchen. With its stylish design and spacious interior, it keeps your snacks, drinks, or even meal preps fresh and ready. Whether you're hosting guests or just want a convenient spot for your essentials, this gadget is a must-have. Available now for $134.99. 6 Snow Cone Machine. Turn any day into a summer party with the Ecolya Snow Cone Machine. This compact device lets you create refreshing snow cones at home, perfect for kids and adults alike. Pair it with your favorite syrups or juices, and you've got a budget-friendly dessert option. And the best part, it's only $19.98. A steal for endless fun. 7 Olive Oil Dispenser Bottle. Cooking is all about precision, and the WISIMMALL Olive Oil Dispenser Bottle delivers just that. Its sleek design and drip-free spout ensure you pour the perfect amount of oil every time, minimizing waste and mess. Whether you're dressing salads or preparing gourmet meals, this gadget is a kitchen essential at $31.99. 8 French Press Coffee Maker. Coffee lovers, elevate your mornings with the Hazel Quinn French Press Coffee Maker. Made with durable materials and a chic design, this French press brews rich, flavorful coffee that rivals your favorite cafe. For just $29.99, you can enjoy premium coffee from the comfort of your home. 9 Finger Guards for cutting safety first. The SYOKAMI finger guards are perfect for anyone who loves cooking but fears accidental cuts. These stainless steel guards fit comfortably on your fingers, allowing you to chop, dice, and slice with confidence. They're easy to clean, reusable, and available for $19.99. A small price to pay for peace of mind. 10 Jar Vacuum Sealer Kit. Preserving food has never been easier. The Lumo Electric Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer Kit removes air from mason jars, keeping everything from fruits to snacks fresh for longer. Compact and easy to use, it's a must-have for meal preppers and home cooks alike. At just $29.99, this gadget is a fantastic investment. That wraps up our list of 10 must-have kitchen gadgets. These innovative tools are guaranteed to make your cooking and kitchen life more enjoyable. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Check the links in the description below to grab these amazing products. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends who love discovering new gadgets. Thanks for watching Nash Rich, and we'll see you next time.